Hello everybody, it's Trevor Selescu again, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Yeah, so on May 25th we will be running a great Warhammer Age of Sigmar tournament. I will be hosting it. And it's $10 to enter. We're using 1,000-point armies. The pricing is going to be $100 worth of Games Workshop products from the store. So that's $50 for first place, $30 worth of products for second place, $20 worth of products for third place, and a lot of fun. So again, we are doing this as, 3 scenarios. So today I wanted to talk about some of the special features of the realm of Akshui itself. Akshui, the realm of fire. So these come from the core rule book. This page actually comes from the core rule book. I've retyped it into the old computer here and printed it out. This will be in the tournament package, so don't worry. So there's a whole bunch of there's Realm Spear magic. So the wizards can cast a fireball. There's realm commands for your generals. They can do the fire starter command. And then there are Realmscape features. There's 6 of them. So you roll a dice before you begin the game and you figure out what's happening in the Realmscape at that particular time. So I'm not going to read the fireball and the fire starter. You'll have to come to the tournament for that one or read it in your core rulebook. But I will read 1 or 2 out of the Realmscape features just before I wrap up this video. So we have flaming missiles. This is good if you have a army that uses a lot of ballistics, like my dispossessed army. You guys are gonna hate this one, but check this out. Flaming missiles. As missiles hurl through the air, they suddenly ignite and make me lose my place. No, okay, they suddenly ignite, burning with magical flames which inflict terrible searing wounds. Ah! Okay, ready? Improve the rend characteristic of missile weapons by 1, while the range from the attacking unit to the target is more than 12 inches away. So, for all you guys that have played my dwarf army and know, or my, pardon me, dispossessed army, and know that I have the runesmith that's able to cast Forge Fire and give +1 to the rend characteristic of Thunderers, making their guns go from -1 rend to -2 rend. Well now, thanks to Akshui, if you're 12 inches away and I cast Forge Fire, my guys are hitting at -3 rend. So that really helps me. But keep in mind, I only play if we get like an odd number of people, just to keep someone from having a bye. And however I do in the tournament gets like completely wiped out so that it goes to the proper top 3 people that should be winning. So, but at any rate, it will be a hot one if I'm in there firing my guns. So, okay, and then the other one here is Geysers of Boiling Blood. That's number 6 on this chart. Scattered across the battlefield are pools of boiling blood that can erupt into geysers of sanguinary death. At the start of each of your hero phases, roll a dice. On a 6+, a geyser explodes. If it does so, pick a point on the battlefield and roll a dice for each unit within 6 inches of that point. On a 4+, that unit suffers D3 mortal wounds. On a 6, it suffers D6 instead. So, for you guys that are not familiar with like D3s and D6s, let me explain it. So, if you roll a 4+, so a 4 or a 5, then you pick somewhere on the battlefield and you roll a dice. Another 6-sided. Everything is on 6-sided dice, so you roll one of those. So a D3 goes, numbers 1 and 2 count as 1, numbers 2 and 3 count as 2, and numbers 2 and 3, 4, or sorry, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 count as 3. So it's basically your dice in half, more or less, right? But on a D6, that means that if it's 1, it's 1. If it's 2, it's 2. If it's 3, it's 3. So your guys could have an awful mess of 6 mortal wounds if someone rolled that right. So again, a very hot, awesome place. So next time around, I will be talking about... What will I be talking about? Talking about how pages stick together, and I can't talk about what I'm talking about. No, Spells of the Realm, and these are from the Malign Sorcery book, and they will be part of the tournament package too. So pretty much anything goes in our tournament, as long as it's got the right rules behind it. Okay, so we will see you down there on May 25th, 10 a.m., $10 entry, 1,000 up points in the armies, and yeah, and it will be a lot of fun. So we will see you there.